Hey there, and welcome to our video about how you can start earning money online in Pakistan in 2023. We all know that times are tough, and making ends meet can be a real challenge. That's why we're excited to show you how you can start earning money from the comfort of your own home by taking surveys online. In this video, we'll share with you all the tips and tricks you need to know to start making money on Pakistan's best earning website of 2023. Before we dive into the specifics of online surveys, let's first talk about why taking surveys can be a great way to earn money. First of all, surveys are easy to do and don't require any special skills or qualifications. All you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. Secondly, survey taking is flexible, so you can do it whenever it suits you. You can take surveys in your spare time, on your commute, or while watching TV. Finally, survey taking can be a fun and interesting way to learn about new products, services, and trends. Now that you know why taking surveys can be a great way to earn money online, let's talk about how to get started. The first thing you need to do is find a reputable earning website that offers surveys. Website link in the description. There are a lot of websites out there, but not all of them are legitimate or worth your time. That's why we recommend doing your research and finding a website that is known for paying out rewards and offering a variety of survey opportunities. When you've found a website that you like, the next step is to sign up and create an account. This usually involves providing some basic information about yourself, such as your name, age, and location. Once you've created an account, you can start taking surveys and earning rewards. The rewards can vary depending on the website, but they usually come in the form of cash, gift cards, or other prizes. One thing to keep in mind when taking surveys is that you won't qualify for every survey you attempt. Surveys are often looking for specific demographics or opinions, so it's important to answer questions honestly and accurately. If you don't qualify for a survey, don't worry. Just move on to the next one and keep trying. When it comes to making the most of your survey-taking experience, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, be sure to set realistic expectations for how much money you can earn. Survey-taking is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a steady and reliable source of extra income. Secondly, be sure to check your earning website regularly for new survey opportunities. Finally, consider joining multiple earning websites to increase your chances of finding surveys that match your demographics and interests. Thanks for watching our video on how to start earning money online in Pakistan through taking surveys.